One machine and one operator. That's all you need to repair cracks and potholes. In the first step, the damaged area is cleaned with a strong stream of air, and if necessary, freed from ice. Then a thin layer of emulsion is sprayed in and around the pothole. The damaged area is then completely filled with a uniform mixture of grit and bitumen emulsion. Finally, a thin layer of pure grit is added. Traffic can drive over the repaired spot immediately after repair. The Road Repair Patcher enables roads to be repaired efficiently and replaces an entire repair team. An operator can control the entire process from the comfort of the driver's cab. The high level of dosing accuracy means that the consumption of material and energy is minimal. The road repair machine carries all the necessary repair materials with it. No extra machines are needed, and nobody is put in any danger because it is not necessary to stand on the road during the repairs. It eliminates waiting times or travel times to and from the asphalt plant. The machine heats and mixes the repair material automatically. The work can be started without delay.